Hi, I'm Kimio from Stony Point Massage. Staying home for months, listening to bad news and not being able to go out is not easy. It gives us a lot of stress and tension. Here's the good news. I'm going to show you the exercise to loosen up and boost your energy. It's called belly tapping and intestinal exercise. Never heard of it? Before I show you, here's the benefit. It promotes good circulation and digestion, boosts immune system, and release neck, shoulders, and lower back tension, and much more. Sounds good? Let's get started. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and tuck your tailbone in. I show you from the side. So tuck your tailbone in. So here's your sacrum and tailbone, and tuck a little bit this way, as if you're sitting on the tiny chair. And relax your shoulders and relax your arms like cooked spaghettis. And bounce your knees, tuck your chin. I know there are a lot of things, but you get used to. And then tap your belly. So let's count 50 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. And rub your belly clockwise. And I show you in different way because tapping your belly this way makes a lot of noise, as you notice. You may be concerned about noise, like waking up your family and neighbors. So you can use fist too. Just use the pinky side of your fist and tap 2 inches below belly button. So this is the place called chakra or Tanjon, Tantien. There are many names, but it's an energy center where you accumulate energy. So whatever you're doing, your energy coming from here. Even when you are using your arm, it's very important to engage your belly. So let's start with, again, fist 50 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. And rub your belly clockwise. So this is belly tapping. You can do 100 to 300 a day, depending on your schedule. Very good exercise to release tension, because when you are sitting all the time, your intestine, your organs, internal organs start to become very stagnant. So the function going down. So this is great exercise to do. Good for circulation, digestion, immune system, and your mood. Too many good things. So let's start intestinal exercise. So same posture, but you don't have to bounce your knees. Don't bounce. So, and put your thumbs on your belly button and make triangle. And pull your belly in and release. And pull belly in and release. So while you do this, don't try to do breathing together. This is not breathing exercise. It's for your belly. And oftentimes, people start to feel tension in their neck, shoulders, back, wherever you hold tension. So you can take a break when you feel a little pain, and start with 50. If it's difficult, even less number, and you can walk up to 300. So let's start the exercise. And also, when you do this exercise, it's good to smile. Why? Because you're using the muscle that you don't usually use. So you start to get tense, and then your face start to get, like this. So you want to relax, and smiling really helps you relax. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. And rub your belly and shake your hands and feet. And then you can breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So how do you feel? Do you feel warm? Then you are getting good circulation. Belly is the most ignored part of our body, then becomes stagnant. How do you know? Well, do you get neck, shoulder, back tension, or headache, constipation, or insomnia? Those are the most typical symptoms. Belly is like a furnace in the house, so the furnace is off, house is cold. Doing belly tapping and intestinal exercise is like turning on your furnace. So today we did 100 belly tapping and 50 intestinal exercise. But as you continue, you can walk it up to 300. Sounds a lot, but it just takes about 5 to 10 minutes. I suggest you to try 7 days. Then, if you can do that, you can try 2 more weeks, because it takes at least 21 days to make new habit. Exercise is lifestyle, like bird fly and fish swim. People exercise. So I hope you can include this in your daily activities. If you enjoyed today's video, subscribe down below. I'm adding videos like this every week. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.